Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am JC. If you are new here from JustLostJC or whatever. So this is a random one. I decided to vlog. I never actually vlog, but I decided, you know what, let me give a little vlog. So today is, what is today? Tuesday, and I'm going out today, so I'm on my way to see a play. It's the first time I'm seeing a play since, it's been like a year, and I love the theater, the arts. So I figured I'd take you along with me with this. The main reason that I decided to vlog is because I have a bag that I want to test out and use and make sure that it is good as I recommend it to you all. So let's get into that. Okay, so I got this package and I'm super excited, so let's open it up together. Very excited, very excited. The great thing about Teddy Blake is that they have a great team of Italian designers that come up with luxury looking handbags. It is a luxury handbag made with premium Italian leather, so you not only get the look of the luxury, but you get the feel of the luxury, which for me is amazing. How well it's packaged. You can tell that they put a lot of time into their bags to create what I would consider a work of art. They are made in Italy, so you're still getting that history that comes with bags being made in Italy. This is so cute. This is super cute. I think that I'm gonna wear this today. We'll see. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit and everything once I'm all together. This is super, super, super cute. It's high quality construction. The detail is amazing and it's very durable. From what I've heard, people have talked about the quality that these bags have not being compromised. This is my first time using this camera. I don't even know the etiquette of using this vlogging camera, but this is a Canon G7X Mark II and the Manfrotto stick, selfie stick I guess you would call it, or tripod. And I've had this for a while, maybe some months now, and this is my first time using it. This is the outfit of the day, and of course added the bag in here, matte Teddy Blake. The attention to detail on this thing is impeccable, okay? I'm not even gonna say too much. Let me show the whole outfit actually. This is the outfit. I'll throw this on because it might get chilly, and of course have some shoes. Hopefully you can see that. But yes, of course I had to add the, what's it called, arm thing here just to make it more comfortable. Listen, guys, I highly recommend going to Teddy Blake, seeing the options that they have. I mean, I am impressed, okay, with this bag. I think it works perfectly with this outfit. The manly kind of blazer, the hair pulled back in this one so that we're giving sophistication, honey. So yeah, highly recommend. It fits so much in here. I actually am decided to use this bag to see the theater today because I'm going to be taking this camera and I want to be able to put it somewhere where it fits, along with my umbrella, along with some water, along with some snacks. Listen, I'm going to be taking my own gummy bears, okay? Throw that in there swiftly. I just have to say a big shout out to the person that sold me this camera, because this is the first vlog that I'm doing with this camera, and she actually followed me on YouTube. So I don't know, Facebook Marketplace, highly recommend that she followed me on YouTube. So if you ever see this, this is me using the camera for the first time, and the lighting is amazing. I'm sick of me. I'm so sick. I have been randomly getting into perfumes lately. So this is a Hanemori butterfly. Let me know if you've heard of this perfume, but found it on Fragrantia net, I don't know, and I really like it. This is another one. It's Armaf Club de Nuit, and I love the bottle of this. Apparently it's supposed to be a dupe of Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle. I've never used that one, but this was a blind buy. Listen, this, I ain't had no business on this site, but it was relatively affordable and it smells really, really good. And then another recommendation that I have is the Latafa house, and this is Amir Al Oud. This one, listen, if you love By the Fireplace, by Maison Margiela. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is as almost an exact dupe of that, and I think it actually has a bit better longevity and a bit more projection, because the actual by the fireplace doesn't project much, but it smells really good close to the skin. This projects a little bit more, but I would also say it's not a huge projector. But this, less than half the price, smells almost exactly like it. I love it, especially when it dries down. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. This is a random cheapy one that I got from Primark. I actually really like the smell of it, but I'm gonna keep it in my bag just in case. All right, I'm running a bit late, so we're gonna go. This theater is Classical Theater of Harlem. They're doing a show called Seize the King, and I'm excited to see it, so let's get going. The best thing about this is that it is luxury made for you. It's luxury made for people that want that luxury, that still want the quality, but don't want to pay the extra $2,000 added on just because of a name brand. You still get the same quality, you still get the same designs, but it's just at a price point that is affordable and that makes sense for the actual quality that you're getting. Fair price, love it. Okay, hello guys, it is now Saturday, the day of the concert, so I'm on my way. This is what the hair is looking like. I actually used a clip-in with my hair, so I'm sure you can see the little texture difference, but yeah, I tried, you know, get some more volume, some more fullness. But anyway, heading over. Unfortunately, they do not allow recording devices in there. So with that being said, I'm gonna try and get some content on my phone, but it should be fun, so I'm gonna head over now and I'll take you guys with me. First of all, clippings. This line is long, one. I think it starts on 9th Street and I'm on 12th Street, so you know. Hello, vlog. Tell me, please look alive. Anyway, we've been on this line for an hour, but you said the earliest person came at 3?
No, that wasn't even the earliest. That was someone who was in the park, but not at the place, not at like the front.
But I'm guessing people got like before 3. Well, either way, the point is this line is long as heck, and I thought we were doing something coming at 4:30 when the doors open at 6. I could have told you. And clearly not.
I don't really care for him. I don't like saying that.
What you getting?
I got a burger.
What you getting?
Huh? I want a burger. Get a burger.
Some french fries or something. But they have a burger. Yeah, no, I saw it.
Do they have pizza too?
No, I want a pizza. That's what you wish.
Well, this diet finna be like a no-go today.
I have a cold sandwich. Wait, what did Timothy? Oh, right.